Physical properties of phenol. In this video, we will study about the physical state of phenol, boiling point, solubility, and the acidity of phenol. Phenols are generally found in solid state or in liquid state, but they are always found in colorless form in pure state. When they are exposed to the atmosphere, they get oxidized and become colored. Boiling point Boiling point depends on the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. If the substance or the compound have the capacity to form the hydrogen bond, then they will have the higher boiling point as compared to other substances which does not have the capacity to form hydrogen bond. So we can say that phenol have the hydrogen bond and thus its boiling point is more than the corresponding hydrogen or hydrocarbons or aryl halide. You can see in the diagram, you can see in the structure the hydrogen bond present between the phenols. Similarly, the solubility of any substance depends upon the hydrogen bonding. If the hydrogen bonding is between the substance and the water molecule, then we can say that that particular substance is soluble in water. Acidic behavior of phenol. The acidity of phenol is generally due to the presence of hydrogen ion on the hydroxyl group. We know that any substance which have the ability to lose hydrogen ion in presence of water or in presence of aqueous medium, that particular substance is called as acid. So phenol loses hydrogen ion and forms oxide ion. Peroxide ion so formed is more stable than phenol. Comparing the acidic strength of phenol and alcohol, phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Reason is that in phenol, all the carbons are sp2 hybridized. Since the carbon are sp2 hybridized, the electronegative percentage is more than sp3 carbon, which result in increase in the polarity and decrease in the electron density on oxygen hydrogen bond. Thus, oxygen easily negates the hydrogen and forms monoxide ion. Effect of substituent group. If the phenol molecules contains different substituent groups, then the substituent group also affects the acidic strength of phenol. Substituents are generally of two types, the electron withdrawing groups and the electron repelling or electron donating group. The electron withdrawing groups always increases the acidic strength of phenol. The electron withdrawing groups like nitro group, acetyl group, aldehyde group, carboxylic group, they they all increases the acidic strength when added to the same benzene ring of phenol. In the figure, you can see that the electron withdrawing group drags all the electrons towards itself, which causes the decrease in electron density on oxygen. Electron drags Oxygen drags electron from hydrogen and releases the hydrogen in the form of proton. If the substituent groups are electron donating in nature or electron repelling in nature, like the alkyl group, the amine group, the hydroxyl group, or the methoxy group, they always decrease the acidic strength. Like you can see on the screen, the electron donating group repels all the electrons towards the benzene ring, and the electron density on oxygen increases. As a result, oxygen does not drag any electron from hydrogen and it becomes difficult to lose hydrogen. So therefore, the acidic strength of by electron donating groups decreases. So arranging the following compounds on the basis of acidic strength, we can arrange them in the following manner. Position of the group. If the same group, same substituent group is present on different positions, then it also affects the acidic behavior of phenol. Like the ortho and para positions are more acidic than meta. Among ortho and para, ortho is more acidic than para, and last, meta. Ortho is close to the hydroxyl group, so ortho substituent will drag the electrons easily and it will affect more easily as compared to para. So its para is away from the functional group. Ortho and para are more acidic than meta because phenol is ortho and para directed. All the electron density are present on either ortho position or on para position. Meta-nitrophenol, meta-substituent phenol will be less acidic. If the same number of if the same types of substituent groups are present in different numbers, then the compound, then the molecule which contains more number of electron withdrawing groups will have high acidity. Like you can see on the screen, the nitro group is the electron withdrawing groups. So electron withdrawing group always increases the acidic behavior. The number of nitro groups if increases, then acidic behavior will also increase, and it will work opposite to that the electron repelling group. Phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. This can be explained by the resonance structure of phenol and phenoxide ion. In the structure of phenol, you can see that the first structure of phenol, you can see the electrons of oxygen are involved in forming the double bond between carbon and oxygen. As a result, the oxygen will gain a negative charge, positive charge. Oxygen will gain a positive charge since its electrons are involved in the formation of double bond, and a negative charge will be present on the neighboring carbon. This negative charge will go on delocalizing in the whole benzene ring, and this is the resonating structure of phenol. In this structure, we see that the positive charge and the negative charge will be present here. The positive charge and the negative charge are separated, and a particular amount of energy is required to separate the charge. So this term, the phenol system required energy. In case of phenoxide ion, the negative charge present on the oxygen keeps on delocalizing on different positions, that is on ortho position and para position, and in this manner the resonating structure of the phenoxide ion can be explained. So in phenoxide ion we see that there is only one type of ion involved in the whole structure, that is negative ion. So there is no separation of charges in the phenoxide ion, therefore no energy is involved in this system. And we know that energy is always inverse to the stability of the system. If a system have high energy, the stability of that system will be low. And if the system have low energy, the stability of that system will be high. So Comparing phenol and phenoxide ion, phenol have high energy and phenoxide have no energy because there is no separation of charge. So we can say that phenol is less stable and phenoxide ion is more stable.